Hello, Ji Yan, and forgive me if I've mangled your name. This will be some video feedback for week one, the high-res images that you submitted with layer adjustments. And I'll open them up, but your package was fine. I know you had asked earlier if you were prompted to upload them individually, and that's okay. Just as long as you have everything in there, I really don't care how I get it. But I'll take a look next. So just so you know, this is what I see, when you submit something. And I can hit download. Let's see, where's it down? Here's a button down here. Let me show you. I think I can show you. I can download them all. It packages them and zips them. You should get used to doing that yourself. But don't worry about it for this week or next week. Just so you know, it's taking a while to download. I see that it is about 207 megabytes. I would expect that size for 3 high-res photographs. That seems to be reasonable to me. It does take a while to download. It may be my connection. I've downloaded it, Jiyoung, and here's what I'm getting. I see the original Photoshop files. I'll open those in a second here to see how you've handled adjustment layers. And then I see 4 PDFs. I'm assuming that this is the after, perhaps, and this is the before, or vice versa. I'll take a look. Let's see, what are the differences? And I'm assuming another before, perhaps another after. Just by looking at the thumbnails, it seems that your adjustments are subtle. And then I'm assuming that this document is the URLs. Oh no, I think this is almost like a receipt for your uploads. Curious, I haven't seen that. But it looks like it's complete. Now let me open the 2 Photoshop files. Sorry, Jiyoung. Nice choice for images, and it looks like you have mastered masking layers. Simple, well, not so simple, and you've been able to use a feathered edge. I'm hoping that tutorial I made helped you. And then, let's see, we've got this one too, and similar. Oh no, that's not yours. Jiyoung, I want to also take a look at your resolution, image size. This is off screen. I'm in Photoshop. And okay, so this could be a problem. Let me change the width to 11 inches. And so then I see that the resolution is 186 pixels per inch. It really needs to be 300 dpi. Now if I change this, see, this is the appropriate size for this image. At 300 dpi, it only is 6 by 5. So you could use this, 6 by 5 as part of a collage or part of the rest of the page, but it is not sufficient resolution to make the entire page. I hope that makes sense. Jiyoung, this is an interesting choice of images. I like the hipster with the coffee, and again, I see that you have put your adjustments on layers. Including adjusting the curves, it looks like in this area. And it looks like you've increased the contrast of the shadows. There's a little bit more contrast overall. And you have the original, unadjusted original. So good job. You clearly have the idea behind non-destructive image editing. Jiyoung, I was going to grade anything that you had submitted for week 2. I know it's only Thursday, so don't sweat it. So I'll end this here, and I hope to give you more video feedback in coming weeks. But good start to the term, and I'm excited to see how you put together your ad.